open 3 of these surprise eggs, and my dad has put some surprises inside, and I think there's about 10 altogether. So let's see what surprises he has put inside. So I think I'll start with the orange egg. So it's karate chopper open. Ready? Woo! Oh, look at what's in here, guys. There's a Tuesday's blind bag, there's a Disney Lego figure, and there is a mushy monster, and there is this noisy potty toilet. And I've opened this before, but only these are bigger. So I think I'll start with this mushy monster. I'll just use my scissors, even though there's a tab, but they don't work. Okay. So these have lots of cool surprises inside. Oh, this one looks cool. This mushy monster. Oh. And the sweets and the stickers. So I think I'll just move that away. And now I'm going to open the Disney Lego figure. And one I might want would be, I'm not sure, I want basically all of them. So let's see who I get. Try not to get any Lego pieces flying everywhere. Oh! Uh-oh. And one just flying on my chair. Or did it just go on top? Ah, my dad's got it. And it's their head, yes. And this one is, I forgot her name, but she's from the movie The Little Mermaid. And this one is one of the ones I wanted. So that is super cool. So now I'm going to quickly build her. I think it goes that way. And then the head. Head shapes all built. And if there's any more of these putties, I'll save those till last because they're one of the best. So I open all of them at the end if there's any more. I do not know. So now I'm going to open a Tootsies, and I really like this Lego figure. And I don't think I've ever opened these blind bags on my channel. Or even ever, I don't think so. No. Oh, so it has like a bee, that's the pet. I think that actual baby must be in the blind bag then. Yep, it is. And there's the cute little baby. Okay, so remember I'm saving that till last. Put those over there. So now I'm going to karate chop the pink egg. Ready, set, karate chop! Yeah! And I got a grocery gang, and these are basically a bit like brownies, and a Shopkins Season 3 basket, and a new Zelf pod, and I've never opened this before either. So I think I'll start with the grocery gang. Whew. And I really think these are really cool. And some are sticky and squishy. And some are even fluffy. A bit like Shopkins Fluffy Babies. So this one's definitely squishy. Let's get you. Oh, this one's funny. It's like frozen chicken. That's funny. I like that one, and I don't have it yet either. So let's see if this is a new one. Is it? I can't remember. Yeah, I think it is because I got this one in the other colour. I think so. I think it was in red. I'm not sure. They're really squishy. They may not look squishy, but they feel squishy when you squish them like that. I'm going to save the Zelf pod not till very last, but the last thing I'm opening right now. So I'm opening the Shopkins, then Zelf. So Shopkins Season 3, I'll just pop that there. I forgot what this one's called. Squeeze you out. Or maybe just cut it more. I'll squeeze you out the other side. So there's the Shopkin. And I forgot the name of that one, and I'm not even sure if I have it or not either. And this one feels like a shoe. Yep, it sure is a shoe. So there they are, lining up just here. Now for the Zelf. That was a grocery gang. I really think grocery gangs are really cool. There's some of them are squishy, some are sticky, and some are fluffy. And I think some are metallic. I think that's the limited edition ones. That came off easy. Okay, let's see the Zelf once I get this open now. I have an idea with it. Can you try?
Oh,
I think you have to just pull the lid off.
It's got opening different than the last one, yeah? Is it a screw? Screw. Oh, it's popped.
This one's so cute! It's like laying down. Look at that! Wow. Lots of her hair's coming off, but that's fine. She's still has loads of hair. It looks like she's just sleeping there. So that's cute, and she can also stand in hair. But now she's just standing up. I'm not sure if she meant to stand up or lay down. I'm not sure. Okay, so for my last egg. What could be inside? I catch that. It's a Chef Kelly's blind bag. And another grocery gang. Yeah. Oh, and another putty, and this one's pink. So that can go in hair because I'm saving those till last, and last is very soon. So let's start with Chef Kelly. And this one's Deputy Hair. That's basically the one I've only got because every time I open them I get that one for some reason. He won't stand up. Or sit down, should I say. And this one is dark chocolate. Well, not real chocolate. Sometimes they can be hard to open. Squishy, squishy. So no fluffies, but that's okay because I've already got two. Oh, I thought I didn't get a fluffy, but I did. So not squishy. So fluffy. And I don't have this fluffy one because I got two fluffy ones. Not so fluffy word. And it looks like a little pineapple. I think it is. A bit like SpongeBob's has. Because that's a pineapple as well. So this one's definitely not a fluffy because I can definitely stretch that, sort of. Yes, this is not a fluffy. So now for the putties. So I'll take the wrapper. So I really like what I've opened so far. But I'm not sure if I've got that one or that one. Here's my mushy monster. And here's my Chef Kelly's blind bag. And here are my 4 grocery bags. And there's the fluffy one. And there's 3 squishy ones. And I really like the chicken ones. That's probably my favourite grocery gang out of these 4. And my 2Z pet and my 2Z baby. And I don't know if you can see it yet, but here is my Lego figure. And this is one of my favourite toys I've opened today. It might be also the grocery gang. And the 2 Shopkins and the Zelf and Sweets that came with the... I forgot what it came with. What did it come with? Oh, it came with the mushroom monster. Here's let's take the lid off of this noisy putty slime. Hey, look at this pink one. Hey, disgusting. Would you like it done?
Okay. Oh.
Wow, that was loud.
Here you go.
What are you doing, Daddy?
Right.
So now it's in the yellow one. Oh, that one's disgusting. Would you like to try the yellow yellow one.
Just have a go. Go on then.
It's disgusting.
You do pink, I do yellow. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Go.
Ew, look at this. So now the yellow. Stretch. And guys, in one of my videos I opened lots of these but only the smaller ones, so if you haven't seen that video then you can go check that out. And I got the biggest blob ever! And I can add this to my blob as well. They'll be gigantic. It's so big, guys. You should see it. That pink one was louder. Oh, that was big. A baby one and a big one. Oh, that one's really little. That's tiny. So here are my 2 noisy putties in the toilet. So here are all my surprises and the noisy putty. And I've got 2 favourites. It is the grocery gang, which is the chicken. Ew. Well, chicken's nice, but this one looks mouldy and stale. And also the Lego figure. And Dad, do you have a favourite?
Noisy putty.
Yes, I'm stuck between that and that. It might be all of them. And if any of you guys in the comments down below have a favourite, then you can let me know. If that makes sense. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I love you guys. See you soon. Bye.
Right, you ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1.
Jelly bean! Even though it's still last, and last is very soon. So start with Sheriff Kelly. And this one's Deputy Peck. That's basically the one I've only got, so every time I open them, I get that one for some reason. He won't stand up. Or sit down, should I say. And this one is dark chocolate. Well, not real chocolate. Sometimes they can be hard to open. Squishy. So no fluffies, but that's okay because I've already got 2. Oh, I thought I didn't get a fluffy, but I did. So that's squishy. So fluffy. And I don't have this fluffy one because I got 2 fluffy ones. Not so fluffy word. And it looks like a little pineapple. I think it is. A bit like SpongeBob's house. Because that's a pineapple as well. So this one's definitely not a fluffy because I can definitely stretch that, sort of. Yes, this is not a fluffy. So now for the putties. So I'll take the wrapper. So I really like what I've opened so far. But I'm not sure if I've got that one or that one. Cracking open 3 of these surprise eggs, and my dad has put some surprises inside, and I think there's about 10 altogether. So let's see what surprises he has put inside. So I think I'll start with the orange egg. So it's karate chop it open. Ready? Woo! Oh, look at what's in here, guys. There's a Tuesday's blind bag. There's a Disney Lego figure. And there is a mushy monster, and there is this noisy putty toilet. And I've opened this before, but only these are bigger. So I think I'll start with this mushy monster. I'll just use my scissors, even though there's a tab, but they don't work. Okay. So these have lots of cool surprises inside. when she wants them. And the sweets and the stickers. So I think I'll just move that away. And now I'm going to open the Disney Lego figure. And one I might want would be, I'm not sure, I want basically all of them. So let's see who I get. Try not to get any Lego pieces flying everywhere. Oh! And one just flying on my chair. Yep, it sure is a shoe. So there they are, lining up just there. Now for the Zelf. That was a grocery gang checklist. I really think grocery gangs are really cool. Because some of them are squishy, some are sticky, and some are fluffy. And I think some are metallic. I think that's the limited edition ones. That came off easy. Okay, let's see the Zelf once I get this open. I have an idea what it was. Can you try? I think you have to just pull the lid off.
So it's got opening different than the last ones, yeah? Is it a screw? Screw. Oh, it's popped.
This one's so cute! It's like laying down. Look at that! Wow. Lots of her hair's coming off, but that's fine. She still has loads of hair. It looks like she's just sleeping there. So that's cute, and she can also stand in hair. But now she's just standing up. I'm not sure if she meant to stand up or lay down. I'm not sure. Okay, time for my last egg. What would be inside? I catch that. It's a Chantel's blind bag, and another grocery gang. Yeah. Oh, and another putty, and this one's pink. So that can go in hair because that's a good one. And my dad's got it. And it's their head, yes. And this one is, I forgot her name, but she's from the movie The Little Mermaid. And this one is one of the ones I wanted. So that is super cool. So now I'm going to quickly build her. I think it goes that way. And then the head. Hair shapes all built. And if there's any more of these putties, I'll save those till last because they're one of the best. So I open all of them at the end if there's any more. I do not know. So now I'm going to open a Tootsies, and I really like this Lego figure. And I don't think I've ever opened these blind bags on my channel. Or even ever, I don't think so. No. Oh, so it has like a bee, that's the pet. I think that actual baby must be in the blind bag then. Yep, it is. And there's the cute little baby. Okay, so whenever I'm saving that till last, put those over there. So now I'm going to karate chop the pink egg. Ready, set, karate chop! Yeah! And I got a grocery gang, and these are basically a bit like brownies, and a Shopkins Season 3 basket, and a new Zelf pod, and I've never opened this before either. So I think I'll start with the grocery gang. Whew. And I really think these are really cool. And some are sticky and squishy. And some are even fluffy. A bit like Shopkins Fluffy Babies. So this one's definitely squishy. Let's get you. Oh, this one's funny. It's like frozen chicken. That's funny. I like that one, and I don't have it yet either. So let's see if this is a new one. Is it? I can't remember. Yeah, I think it is because I got this one in the other colour. I think so. I think it was in red. I'm not sure. They're really squishy. They may not look squishy, but they feel squishy when you squish them like that. I'm going to save the Zelf pod not till very last, but the last thing I'm opening right now. some open the Shopkins then sell. So Shopkins season 3, I'll just pop that there. I forgot what this one's called. Squeeze you out! Or maybe just cut it more. I'll squeeze you out the other side. So there's the Shopkin, and I forgot the name of that one, and I'm not even sure if I have it or not either. And this one feels like a shoe.